I'm Janice Chapman. I love the idea of coming to Ireland to do this course, which unpicks some of the mysteries around the training of classical singers.
Hi, I'm James Platt.
Hi, I'm Andy Folling.
I think what separates the SATS courses out from other pedagogy courses is that because we have a cohesive pedagogy that's based on Janice's book, it means that we can be practical throughout the entire course.
There's been a wealth of vocal research done in recent years, a lot of it from outside the classical genre, but a lot of this does shine a light and give perspective to what people have been doing for centuries. We're trying to bring that scientific research into a centuries-old tradition. I would say it's a little bit like tool selection. We will give you a full tool set. It's a little bit like going from a 12 colour crayon set to a 100 crayon colour set.
I'm Janice Chapman.
Hi, I'm James Platt.
I'm Andy Folling, and we're really looking forward to meeting you all this August at the Irish Institute of Music and Song for our Singing and Teaching Singing 23 course.
We're very pleased to be coming to do this. We'll see you there.